Hey folks, Michael Mann from Michael Mann Security Services. Hey, I get a lot of calls from churches, from Christian schools, from homeschool co-ops, and they're looking for security consultants. And I'll get asked, hey, if we need a program designed, we need training, what exactly are we looking for? So let me go over that very quickly for you guys. If you need a security assessment, make sure that consultant is trained and certified in an assessment methodology. Something very specifically like Carver, API, American Petroleum Institute, even some sort of a CPTED or crime prevention through environmental design certificate or practitioner certificate. And here's why. That training is going to show that that person has at least been trained and certified in how to conduct an assessment. They may not use that exact methodology for your church or your school or your other ministry, but at least it shows that they've been trained and certified to actually do the work. Because that's what we see a lot on our side is assessments that are done by people that have not been trained and certified, and so the product's not the best. The second thing you want to look for is board certification. The American Society for Industrial Security has board certifications very specifically as a physical security professional, which does cover subject matter expertise in conducting assessments, very specifically risk and threat assessments, and the CPP, or Certified Protection Professional, which is a general security management certification proving your subject matter expertise in security management to include some security assessments. So training in the methodology, number one, and number two, some sort of board certification. For training, response training is great, stop the bleed, first aid, CPR, arm response, whatever. However, you really need to focus, or you should focus, on how to prevent an attack from occurring. That is the goal in physical protection. The goal of the police, fire, EMS is to respond, stop the bleed, arm response. The goal in security is actually to prevent something or stop it from happening in your protected environment. And then if you need somebody to write your procedures, your security plan, your emergency action plan, same thing. Where did that consultant learn how to write emergency action plans? Where did they learn about security plans? Just because somebody's a retired police officer or served in the military doesn't necessarily mean that they know how to write a procedure, understand how to design an emergency action plan, or write a physical protection plan for you. Again, a lot of that experience comes from government work, writing procedures in government work, and writing emergency action plans in government regulated environments. So that's what I would look for if I were you in consultants, all right? So I can do all those things for you. I've got all that experience. But if you've got a question about someone, about qualifications, about, again, what you're looking for, give us a call, 615-956-3912, or you can get us at contact@michaelmannsecurityservices.com. And remember, it's about prevention, not response.